Hello everybody, today is day 11 of my 22k walking. I did some maths when I was bored eating my cornflakes this morning. I typed into Google a destination. So basically in 10 days I've walked to Alton Towers in about 40 hours. It's quite a long way. So I'm doing that because my friend Joe is doing this for a year to raise money for combat stress, cancer research and mountain rescue England and Wales. He is a cancer fighter. He does this knowing that every 3 months he's got to go and have checkups. He's on chemotherapy tablets, and that's why I'm getting up and out of bed to help his cause. So if these tips are helping you, please donate, use the link below. So today's topic is hesitation at roundabouts. A lot of the time, we're just going to talk today, once you've stopped and you can't move on to the roundabout and you've ended up stopped, don't sit there with your foot on the foot brake. Because if you do that, by the time you get a gap, your right foot's got to move to the gas, get the revs up, find the biting point, and then you've missed the gap. So by applying the handbrake, once you've stopped, it allows you to get your right foot revs up. I don't want Lewis Hamilton revs, but you know, you do need some revs to move quickly. You're already there with the clutch just under or just at the biting point. You release the handbrake and gas and clutch comes up and you fly. Choosing a gap's different things. Quite difficult to talk about with it without diagrams, pictures, or being in situ. So I'm not going to go too much into that. The other safety aspects of a handbrake at a roundabout, having been hit up the backside at least 4 times at roundabouts, usually when someone's stalled. I will tell you that even if the car behind was stationary and accelerated, you end up being pushed up to 2 car lengths forwards. So by having the handbrake on, you protect yourself from being hit by a lorry on the right. So use the handbrake once you've stopped at roundabouts at the front, get the gas and clutch ready, lift it slightly, button in, and you can just fire it and go down. There we go, tip for today. Have a nice day, much better than yesterday.